Guys, major victory for Phemex. DOJ declares 9 billion in stolen Bitcoin should be returned. Also, Solana back above 200 $200. Will it hold or fade away? Is Bitcoin upward circle back? Key insight into the latest recovery. XRP gains 10%, stealing the spotlight from BTC. Welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And as you all know, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. And thanks for joining me on the show today. You all know what we do on this beautiful show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. We take a look at the news, we check the fear and greed index out, we check the market cap out, the market list according to their rank. We take a look at the chart analysis to know what is going on, and don't forget we always check the event of the day. So these are more what you're going to be enjoying on the show today. I still remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. And please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be part of the greatness that is happening in the space. Also, you can follow me on X to get more news as I drop it out of the space immediately. You can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and also on TikTok to get all the nuggets I'll be dropping for you on this great channel. All right, I haven't said that. Welcome back to the show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. Yes, what do we have today? The news we have today, and this is all about BTC. The breakout opens 100,000 US dollars. Major Dogecoin reversal pattern. Solana bounce off. But what's next? Now, and this is what is next. Bitcoin briefly touches the 100,000 US dollar mark as cooling US inflation stalks wider market exuberance. Another news on the radar. XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, and Cardano surge following market-wide plunge. And let's talk about Ripple right now. Ripple surges to $3.2 with $10 price target inside this cycle. Also, let's take a look at another news regarding XRP. XRP hit 7-year high above $3 as large holders accumulate 3.8 billion of token. That is great news. Another news on the radar is this is coming from the SEC. SEC files against Ripple. Question XRP says to retail investor as unregistered security. We all know they won this case and now they're back at it again. More news. Let's check another news, and this is about Litecoin. Top experts. Litecoin ETF is the next in line. Litecoin ETF is the next in line. And also, we saw that Litecoin surges 17% as whales accumulate on spot ETF hopes. So let's wait if we're going to have ETF on Litecoin. We got BTC, we got Ethereum, and that will continue down to other meaningful and good project. All right, let's check another one out, and this one is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Author predicts what? Bitcoin to hit 250,000 US dollars this year. And I understand that I said it on my show before that I'm expecting this cycle to push us to from 150, 250 to 450 top this cycle. And I think if it says 250, it's still within the range of my prediction. So that is not a bad news. And now talking about states, not country yet, we have Oklahoma in the radar. And Oklahoma lawmakers proposes bills for state to invest in Bitcoin. Now let's talk about country. And this one is US. US law firm seeks legal action against pump fund for investors with losses. And also we have another news from India, and this one is India telecom giant Jio joins hands with Polygon to bring Web3 to over 450 million users. That's great news. Talking about Polygon on chain. If you are a lover of Polygon, you might want to check that out. And that is the news I have for you on the show today. Let's now dive into the real case, and we're going to check the economic calendar out. We all know yesterday we saw the CPI came out yesterday. Today we are going to be waiting for the unemployment claims, core retail sales, and retail sales month to month at 1:30 GMT or UTC today. And I think that's the only important news we have while I'm recording right now. Other important news from Australia and Great Britain has already been dropped, and you can see the figure right here. So the only important news we're waiting for is at 1:30 GMT or UTC today. I don't know what the events of the day looks like. Let's now check what the cryptocurrency market is looking like, and it's looking nice from 3.3 trillion now to 3.6 trillion US dollars. That's big improvement this week, and I told you we're going to celebrate the 4 trillion US dollars very soon market cap, and don't worry, it's going to happen very soon. You can see the trading and the top gainers project on the screen right now. Let's check the top 20 as we normally do on the show. Of course, BTC is still sitting at number 1, Ethereum at number 2, XRP at number 3, Theta number 4, BNB number 5, Solana number 6, Dogecoin number 7, USDC number 8, Cardano number 9, Lido Stake at number 10, Tron at number 11, Avalanche at number 12, Stellar sitting at number 13, Sui at number 14, Wrap ETH at number 15, Toncoin at number 16, Chainlink at number 17, Shiba Inu still sitting at number 18, and Wrap Bitcoin at number 19. Edera has now made it to 20, and the list goes on. If you really want to know your top 100 or top 1,000 coin on the cryptocurrency market list, you might want to go to coingecko.com to know what the list looks like. So that's that, and BTC is still trading below 2 trillion US dollars. So that's that on the market cap. Let's now dive into the chart analysis and see what we are dealing with. And when you look at the chart right now, you can see yesterday I told you to buy Bitcoin because I said BTC is a buy, and you can see we move ahead nicely. Now, do we need to change our stop loss? No, our stop loss still remain at exact same place, because you can see here is a flat candle, so it doesn't make any sense. Here also is even a flat candle, so I can even say our stop loss should be at 88,000, but that will be too far for us. So let's leave our stop loss where it is. And remember, this is no financial advice in any way, it's just for educational and entertainment purpose. But with my years of experience in the game, I have been able to predict the market and be correct with more than 99, or let me say 90 to 95%. All right, let's move to the next one, which is Ethereum. And you can see ETH is also a buy. You can see where I put my green stuff there. It's a buy now, but ETH stop loss is now at 3,177. That's where you need to put the stop loss. So ETH is still a buy, but make sure you put the stop loss at the right place. Let's take a look at Sui. Sui also activated the buy, but remember, stop loss is at 4.4. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP is still a buy. XRP is still a buy, but we now need to move the stop loss to 2.649. That's where you need to move XRP to. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche is a buy, and now the stop loss has now moved up to $36. Let's take a look at AAVE. AAV is a buy, stop loss to remain at the same spot. Excuse me. Let us take a look at Solana. Solana is still a buy, but now the stop loss has changed, and the stop loss is now here at 185. All right, let's take a look at ADA. ADA is still now is a buy, and the stop loss has now moved up to 0, or let's just say $1. Let's take a look at Toncoin, the last but not the least on the altcoin, and it's a buy, and the stop loss too is now at 5.3. So those are the altcoins and Bitcoin analysis I have for you, or where you need to get in or get out. Let's now check the meme coin out. And checking out the meme coin, let's start with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a buy, of course, and the stop loss is now at 0.34. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, of course, is a buy also. Shiba Inu has activated a buy, but stop loss will be at 0.02. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe also is a buy, but our stop loss has to move here to 0.000016. Let us take a look at Ondo. Ondo is a buy, and our stop loss, or where we need to get out of the market, is now 1.12. Let's take a look at X. X is a buy as well, but our stop loss is right at 0.000127. Let's take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin actually is a buy here yesterday, but we need to move our stop loss down there. Now let's take a look at Dogs. Dogs also is a buy. Stop loss needs to move down there. Let's take a look at Nero. Nero 2 activated the buy, then stop loss will be at 0.036. Let us take a look at Deep. Deep is still a buy, continue the buy from yesterday, but our stop loss now is now 0.14. Let us take a look at RSR. RSR is a buy. Stop loss is now at 0.012. Let us take a look at Popcat. Popcat is a buy. No, Popcat is not a buy yet. It's actually a buy with this structure, but let's wait. Let's see if Popcat is going to break 0.6. Then you can buy Popcat. Now let's take a look at Rose. Rose is a buy, but the stop loss has moved to 0.07. Let us take a look at CKB. CKB also is a buy. Stop loss has moved to 0.01. And let us take a look at Reef. Reef actually move ahead and is dumping again, so we just need to wait for Reef. No buy, stay away from Reef right now. And that's what I have for you on the altcoin and the meme coin in the market. If you have any other project you want me to incorporate in this chart analysis, please comment down in the comment section so I can take a look at it and analyze them for you. And also, if you want to do, because this analysis is for spot traders and investors, if you want to learn how to trade derivatives, option trading, margin trading, and futures trading, you might want to join my Discord or my Telegram channel, where I give signals daily in the community, all for free. All you need to do is just to join through my ByBit account, and you have a lot of benefit, up to $30,000 for yourself for grabs. All right, that's on the chart analysis. Let's now move on to the fear and greed index, and you can see presently the fear and greed index, the sentiment is greed. Yesterday greed, last week greed, last month extreme greed. So we might still be seeing some volatility. And don't forget, we have news coming up today at 1:30 GMT or 1:30 UTC today. So do not forget to make sure you watch your trade around that, especially if you're trading futures and all those margin leverage trading. But if you're a spot trader and investor, stick to what I've given you. But mind you, this is not financial advice, just for entertainment and educational purpose. Also, with my years of experience, that's what I've been doing great with my charts analysis, if you agree with me. All right, that's what I have for you on the show today, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all the nuggets and all the juicy content I'll be dropping on this beautiful channel. Also, you can follow me on X to get more of the news as I drop it all the way from the space. You can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook and even on TikTok to enjoy all these nuggets I'll be dropping for you every time of the day. All right, thanks for joining me on the show again. My name still remain the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. Until I catch you tomorrow, another beautiful and wonderful episode of this great show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. It's peace.